Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set your date of birth on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Accounts. Then again, click on Settings on the top right corner. So click on Account Info once you're here. Then again, click on Edit, as I've been saying in the past videos. So you're going to select your date of birth. So once you're done, you're going to click on Save. Then they're going to update your date of birth successfully. So this is how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.